Welcome back, travelers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping inside a one-bedroom family suite at the iconic Disneyland Hotel in California. As the original stay-on-property experience, this resort is the ultimate blend of classic Disney nostalgia, modern luxury, and timeless magic. Spread across 3 distinct towers, fantasy, adventure, and frontier, these suites are packed with magical details, including those famous glowing firework headboards that bring the enchantment right into your room. In this video, we're going to give you a complete tour of one of those one-bedroom family suites and go over all of the options and upgrades to make sure this is the perfect fit for your family's next West Coast getaway. Now, before we open the doors and check out the spaces, remember that planning the ultimate Disneyland vacation takes a lot of coordination. And when you book your stay with the Vacationeer, our expert planning services are completely free of charge. From locking in the ideal room category, securing your park tickets, setting up dining, and navigating the app, we do all the heavy lifting for you. Reach out to us today to see why Disney recognizes the Vacationeer as a top-tier diamond earmark agency, and let our incredible team of expert advisors plan the perfect trip for you. The number one reason to upgrade to a club level room is the exclusive access to the High Key Club, located high up on the 11th floor of the Adventure Tower. This sky-high lounge pays homage to the mid-century modern aesthetic and the iconic music and sounds of the early Disneyland, featuring incredible vintage artifacts, retro-inspired art, and sweeping panoramic views of the entire resort. Throughout the day, the club provides complimentary food and beverage presentations, starting with breakfast in the morning, a full continental breakfast spread with pastries, fruit, hot items, juices, and an automated espresso machine so you can craft your essential lattes and cappuccinos before hitting the parks. In the afternoon, they have light snacks, fresh fruit, salads, and cold beverages to recharge midday. I may have eaten half a dozen Uncrustables, but who's judging? And in the evening, they have hot hors d'oeuvres, cheese, and complimentary wine and beer. And late into the night, they have an incredible array of artisanal desserts and sweet treats. Plus, because of its prime elevated vantage point, the e-ticket club is one of the absolute best spots on property to sit back with a drink and watch the Disneyland Park fireworks, complete with the soundtrack piped right through the lounge speakers. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the suite. As we step inside, you're greeted by an entry foyer featuring hanging closet storage and an entry to the half bath. Inside the half bath, you get a spacious vanity and your first look at those upgraded bath amenities. Having a separate powder room right by the entrance makes this an incredible layout for hosting. You can comfortably entertain family or friends in the living room without anyone needing to walk into your private bedroom area. Moving into the main space, the room opens up into an expansive living area. You have 2 large, comfortable armchairs, a couch that converts into a queen sleeper sofa, and a dining table set for 4, giving everyone plenty of room to stretch out or enjoy an in-room meal together. Directly across from the seating area is your main entertainment hub with a large flat panel smart TV, and it's loaded with live TV channels, resort information, and a massive library of complimentary Disney movies to wind down with at night. Right below is a 6-drawer dresser, providing a ton of extra storage, which is a huge plus if you're utilizing the sleeper sofa as an extra bedroom space. Tucked in the corner, you'll find the refreshment station. Up top sits a Keurig coffee maker with premium coffee and tea refreshed daily for that essential morning cup of joe. Built right into the cabinetry below is a hidden mini fridge, along with 3 extra drawers to keep snacks, toys, or travel gear organized and completely out of sight. Heading out of the living area and into the bedroom, this is where you'll find the primary storage and the full bathroom for the suite. The closet features plenty of full-length hanging storage where you'll find your comfy suite bathrobes, and up above is additional bedding and blankets, and mounted to the side is a large digital room safe. Heading into the bathroom, we absolutely loved this layout for our family. The double vanity features a large backlit mirror, an adjustable magnifying mirror on the side, those signature white Disney hands holding up the vanity lights, and your hairdryer tucked neatly in the shelf below. Now, the highlight here is the inclusion of both a standalone walk-in shower and a shower tub combo, a combination you rarely find in standard hotel rooms. Both setups come equipped with overhead rainfall shower heads and daily refresh premium bath amenities. Being on the taller side, I really appreciate having that dedicated walk-in shower to kickstart the morning. But having the tub available for the kiddos at bath time after a long park day is a massive win for families. To top it all off, the toilet is tucked away in its own private room for added privacy. Stepping back into the bedroom area, these 1-bedroom suites come equipped with either a single king bed or 2 queens. Either option comes with a queen-size sleeper sofa. Your Vacationeer advisor can help you select the perfect configuration for your booking, and all configurations feature upgraded bedding and linens to add a touch of luxury to your stay. Set in between the 2 beds is a small nightstand with drawers to tuck away smaller personal items, and right on top you have a Bluetooth speaker clock with 3 US plugs built into it. And you can't forget the secret nighttime setting, which you can activate by the lamp between the beds. Directional reading lights are attached to the headboards, and the bed frames are also raised with ample clearance underneath the beds, allowing you to easily tuck away your bulky luggage or strollers completely out of the way. Directly across from the beds is your second flat panel smart TV. Below the screen, you have a large wardrobe dresser with 6 drawers for storage, and next to the dresser you'll find a desk that doubles as a vanity with a mere 3 US plugs, 2 USB plugs, and 2 USB-C plugs. And lastly, set in the corner is a comfy reading chair next to the floor-to-ceiling windows. These suites can have views of the beautiful foliage of the trees, the pool, downtown Disney district, or parking area. I did also want to mention that this configuration has the ability to attach to the rooms next to it to form a 2 or 3 bedroom variation. If you're traveling with a large multi-generational group or friends traveling together, this could be the perfect option. Whether you're drawn to that classic Disney charm, wanting the VIP perks of the e-ticket club, or looking for a room layout that gives your whole family space to stretch out, the Disneyland Hotel delivers an unforgettable stay right in the heart of the magic. Now, if you're still trying to decide which resort is the best fit for your next trip, make sure to check out our channel for full property overviews and individual room tours for Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa and Pixar Place Hotel, as well as a full room and suite breakdown across all 3 properties. And to start planning your next West Coast getaway, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click that booking link down in the description. Our expert planning services are completely free of charge, and we handle all the details from finding the best room rates, park tickets, and setting up your dining alerts so you can enjoy a smooth, stress-free vacation. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below letting me know which Disneyland resort is your favorite. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.